Vanene ka silikali yithiitwe yiitulwa muti kumana na Syiko Sya enenthi kuwawa na kutekwa nyara yu President William Ruto niwaumania Syiko isu vanene aiweta Syiko isu ni muisyo munene kwi enenthi thini wa uneni wake kwa nthi. Ruto ni wasekana Syiko ii ni kuokitanwa nasyo undu vailite Kavindani kau ni wakania ala methitwe mailikilela maandamano ma muo na kuete wanangiko ona nginya ikuo sya enenthi matena maviti wa utonduli na musangi ukwelesya kana Ruto ingi niwaumania Syiko Sya akakuwawa ayathana kwikithia kiu ni chathera.
Onena Musumbi William Ruto nuwetie kana mwenenzi wa Kenya kuenana na katiba kanzi iye tawena uthasi wa kutoa isamiatanio ya muta nzemo ya kukilia kiyo na wasi wake kui serikali. Oweta kana kila kiteti kilikanimia ni kutoa isamiatanio ite ya muo yusutu ni usangili ungino vungulu wa muo.
Mission of fearless expression and vigorous public participation. This is who we are. And there is nothing anyone can do about it. We understand, therefore, that protests are always legitimate and permitted by the Constitution. Protests are conducted by citizens who are peaceful and unarmed. Assemblies, demonstrations, and picketing to advance constitutionalism, increase accountability, and defend the rule of law are constitutional imperatives. Conversely, mobilization in pursuit of criminal agenda, chaos and anarchy are explicitly forbidden because we all have a duty to defend our republic, our constitution, and the rights of all people.
Ruto nuwetie serikali ya ile kwitha ngunu no kenda kwikithe muo na usese iyo weta kana nzangilila silikali nioni sina mesili ya moto ise wanange kota sithi ya wasi utamba ikia muo wanzi.
As public order, peace and security. In this digital era characterized by transformative innovations, including artificial intelligence, it has never been easier to inform, educate, and entertain the people. At the same time, it has never been easier to misinform, mislead, disinform, incite, and alarm the public. Criminals and subversive elements who infiltrate and hijack peaceful protests are a threat both to legitimate protesters and to the public. Incidences of violent criminality in the name of protests threaten the safety of innocent people, public assets, private property, and the social order.
Yingeno wetie kana maofisa mausese imaina utheiwa kuwa enenzi wa miachanio ya muo kueta maofisa hata maena kianda kia kuikithe kana ni mavathu kanya nzangili na enenzi wa miachanio.
It is only by following the law that we are able to achieve our aims and apportion accountability properly. It should not be possible for robbers and looters to escape accountability by claiming that they were taking part in a protest. Likewise, it should not be possible for security officers to wound, maim, or even kill citizens and claim that they were engaging violent criminals. We all have a duty to make the necessary distinction and to do so clearly to protect democratic expression and guarantee public safety and security.
Uneni wake weka itina wa mwika miitano mivitu kutoa isamiatanio yoleana na utongoi wake. Vola weta serikali iinde kuitikila enenzi kuwaona kutekwa nyara okulia enenzi kukuna ripoti whether vena endo muoma vikiite kutekwa nyara.
I condemn any excessive or extrajudicial action which puts the life and liberty of any person at risk, including disappearances and threats to life. I urge all Kenyans with information about such cases to forward the information to the Directorate of Criminal Investigation and to IPOA, where they suspect members of the police service to be implicated.
Kuripoti ya Mlingo wa Maovu, Nilina Musangi.